Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking the fisherman's soup, yes, otherwise known as pepper soup. Let's dive straight into the recipe and let's go on. So for this recipe we need a couple of things. I'm gonna put them in the description box. So this is a quick 10 minutes recipe, so I hope that you enjoyed this, and let's get on with the cooking quickly. Okay, so for this recipe I'm just going to put the catfish in there, and then the next thing, all my blended spices, it's gonna go in right away. It's just a quick 10 minutes guys, and then every other thing I've blended so far, the tomato, the chili, everything will go in, just adding a little bit of water and then let it cook for a while. Now don't forget the seasoning guys. So in everything you do, make sure you have the right amount of seasoning, and please don't over season your meal. Make sure you test it. Don't forget, salt can give you a lot of high blood pressure, so please make sure you know how to control your salt and your Maggi cubes. So I'm just stirring now, and I'm just gonna let this sit for a while and cook for exactly 10 minutes. Guys, this is an easy recipe. I hope you try this. Okay, so let's get to leave it on to cook for the next 10 minutes. So this has been cooking for the past 10 minutes now, and yes, it looks so ready. Everything is set with the right amount of chili, with everything that I need within. That's it. This is just it. I told you I love quick fix in the kitchen. I don't like to waste my time. Look at how yummy it looks, guys. It tastes even better than it looks now, honestly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're going to enjoy this. You can eat this with rice, you can eat this with soup, you can decide to take it the way you like it. Yeah, personally I love to take this with rice, or I could just take it alone if I don't feel like eating anything starchy. So guys, I hope you try this. This is super easy. This is just a 10 minutes making. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video.